Welcome to Eco Bharat. In this video, I'll guide you through registering your account, purchasing, and activating the QR stickers. These QR stickers are designed to ensure faster emergency response and seamless communication on the road. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the Eco Bharat website. The link is in the description below. Click on Sign In at the top right corner. If you are new, click Create Account and fill in your details. Name, email, mobile number, password, and gender. Then, click Sign Up. You'll receive an OTP. Enter it, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Once your account is created, you will come to the dashboard. In this tab, you will see a quick overview of all your QR codes, family members associated, and also our helpline number. Now head over to the Profile tab. This section gives you a quick view of your details, such as your name, email, and emergency contacts. Before you purchase the stickers, you must complete your profile. To do this, go to the Edit Profile tab. Here, you can add or update your name, email, and gender. Add emergency contact numbers for different situations, such as accidents, parking issues, or lost and found cases. Eco Bharat provides the option to assign different contact numbers for each scenario, ensuring only the relevant people are alerted. Enter your address, select your blood group, and select any chronic conditions. This information is critical for emergency responders. For privacy, you can choose whether to display your photo. When everything is complete, click Submit. Now it's time to purchase your QR stickers. Click Shop Now at the top of your dashboard. Choose between car stickers or bike stickers and click Add to Cart for the ones you need. Here, I will be adding both. Once you've added all the stickers, click the Cart button at the top right corner to review your items. Here you may select the number of vehicles you want to purchase the QR code for. Once you are done, click Checkout, enter your shipping address, select your payment method, and click Place Order. Your QR code will be delivered to your doorstep. In the User panel, you can view the status of your orders in the My Orders tab. When your QR stickers are delivered, you'll need to activate them. Go to the QR Code tab on your User panel. Click Add QR Code and enter the unique 11-digit token provided with your stickers. Now click Submit. Your QR sticker is now linked to your account. You may click on View to see the details of your vehicle. Here, you can attach an existing family member to your vehicle and also set a default family member for the vehicle. You can also add insurance policy details of your vehicle. Eco Bharat also allows you to add family members for additional safety. Here's how. Go to the Family Members tab and click Add Member. Enter their details, such as name, contact information, etc. Click Submit. Your family members are now connected to your account. If you ever need assistance, Click on Chat Support in your dashboard and create a ticket. Our team will respond promptly. Alternatively, you can call our helpline number, which is displayed on your dashboard. And that's it. You are now fully set up to use Eco Bharat for safer and smarter road assistance. Thank you for watching. Let's make our roads safer together with Eco Bharat.